I can't leave a friend. I promised that before we started. So love me, love my dog. If you can't understand, then we'll head upland. When I leave this town today, Lord, you know I'll miss you. Baby, I won't kiss you. You'd only make me wanna stay. Though it's hard to say goodbye, can't you see it's over? Guess I'm just a loner, heading on his way. And I tell you now, love me, love my dog. We've lived the road too long to break up.